In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document icon in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your design skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Figma page where you'd like to work on your design. If you haven't already, make sure you have a new project or existing one ready to go. It's important to start with a clean workspace to keep everything organized and ensure you stay on track. Now, let's get started by navigating to the top left corner of your Figma interface. There, you'll find the main menu, which is your gateway to various commands and options in Figma. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is essential because it gives you access to all the tools you need to create and manage your designs. Once you have the drop-down menu open, look for the File option. Clicking on File will present you with several choices related to file management. It's here that you'll find the tools needed for importing and placing your images. Next, within the File menu, find and click on Place Image. This option allows you to import images from your computer into your Figma project. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for incorporating external graphics like your document icon into your design. Now that you've clicked Place Image, a file browser window will appear. Use this to navigate through your library of images on your computer. You should have your document icon file saved somewhere accessible. Take a moment to locate it. Once you've found your document icon file, select it to prepare it for insertion into your Figma project. Keep in mind that the file type should be compatible with Figma, typically PNG, JPG, or SVG formats. Selecting the correct file ensures that the image will be properly displayed and easy to manipulate within Figma. After selecting your document icon, click Open to import it into your Figma workspace. The image should now appear in your project, ready for you to position and resize as necessary. You can drag it to the desired location on your canvas and use the bounding box handles to adjust its size to fit your design needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created and placed a document icon in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, and experimenting with different icons and placements can help you hone your design skills further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Happy designing!